China's establishment of a nature reserve at Bajo de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal should not be viewed in isolation but based on the pattern of China's aggression, according to defense and international relations analysts. This after China announced the creation of the reserve to maintain the diversity, stability, and sustainability of the shoal's natural ecosystem. According to the Asian Maritime Transparency Initiative of the think tank Center for Strategic International Studies, the reserve covers an area of 3,520 hectares along the northeastern side of Scarborough Shoal. The reserve consists of two parts. These are the core zone, which covers Bajo de Masinloc's fringing reef. The other part is what China calls an experimental zone around the shoal extending 400 to 800 yards into the waters on either side. Think tank International Development and Security Cooperation President Chester Cabalsa says China's sudden move comes from China's scrupulous action to nullify the 2016 arbitral award. Cabalsa tells INQUIRER.net that China is trying to implicate their new legal and environmental domestic law by making Scarborough Shoal a nature reserve since their de facto control in 2012. The Asian Maritime Transparency Initiative explained that the reserve's core and experimental zones have their origins in China's 1994 regulations on nature reserve, which was last revised in 2017. Based on the text of the regulations, the core zone is off limits to all human presence, including scientific activity, without advance notice and approval from provincial or municipal officials. Meanwhile, the experimental zone is more permissive, allowing scientific research, the breeding or cultivation of rare and endangered species, and even tourism-related activities. But the National Security Council says China's establishment of a reserve at Bajo de Masinloc is illegal, describing it as a threat to the sovereignty of the Philippines. To read the full INQFocus report, visit INQUIRER.net.